Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. Today we're diving into a laid-back how-to guide on designing a landscape that naturally retains water. We'll use dipping tanks, rain capture, and the right plants for dry seasons and for wetter corners. Think simple steps, clear winds, and a garden that works with water, not against it. We'll keep it practical, affordable, and easy to follow, one idea at a time. So, grab a cuppa, take a breath, and let's make watering easier on you and your bill. From parched beds to soggy spots, we'll turn extremes into opportunity. End result? A beautiful, resilient garden that saves water, time, and effort, starting right now. It's wonderful to have you with us. Let's get started. The first step is simple. Look. Really study the contours of your space. Don't just see a flat patch, spot the gentle dips and small rises. Where does water naturally collect after a downpour? Mark these as collection points you can use to your advantage. Plan paths and beds to guide water slowly across the landscape. Gentle, meandering slopes beat steep, straight inclines every time. Keep every precious drop on site and let it soak in, not race to a drain. Build beds in layers. Think trifle for plants, drainage base, then rich mixes on top. A healthy blend of topsoil and organic matter holds water without waterlogging. Add shallow swales along contours to slow, spread, and sink the rain. Rethink hard surfaces. Choose permeable materials that let rain through. Poor drainage? Use raised beds to control moisture and give roots a perfect start. Capture rain where it falls, your roof. Fit a barrel with a simple diverter. It fills the barrel, then overflows back to the drain. Place barrels near thirsty areas so you're not lugging heavy cans across the garden. Most have a tap, easy refills, or a gentle gravity hose. Got space? Create a rain garden, a shallow basin to soak roof or drive runoff. Direct a downpipe in and plant moisture-tolerant species. Think irises and marsh marigolds, happy with occasional wet feet. During storms, it captures loads, eases drains, and slowly percolates to recharge soil water. A dipping tank is a charming, open-topped reservoir right where you work. Dip, lift, water. Quick, simple, central. Keep it safe. Shallow depth or a little ramp for easy escape. Together, barrels, rain gardens, and dipping tanks capture and use every drop. You'll rely less on treated mains water. Plants love soft rainwater, especially camellias and rhododendrons. Group plants by water needs. Hydrozoning makes watering efficient. Use microclimates, hot sunny spots and cooler damp corners. Put Mediterranean herbs in sun-baked, well-drained areas. Moisture lovers thrive in lower, wetter zones. Turn boggy into beautiful. Prioritize local natives. They're adapted, low care, and wildlife friendly. Build great soil with organic matter. Compost, well-rotted manure, leaf mold. Mulch cools soil, cuts evaporation, and suppresses weeds. Keep a small gap at stems. Maintain the system, secure lids, clear diverters, quick tank checks. New plants need deep, regular drinks their first season, then far less. Recap: shape the land, layer beds, and use permeable surfaces. Capture every drop: barrels, rain gardens, dipping tanks. Small steps, big changes. Start with one barrel this season. Before you know it, you'll have a resilient, joy-filled garden.